In our course of life, we face several defeats, but remember, we must not be defeated. In fact, it's important for us to face these defeats because in the entire process, we exactly know who we are, what we are capable of, and how we can come out of it in flying colors. Time and opportunity once lost are lost forever. So now is the right time to start anything. Now is always the right time to start anything good. So you have a plan, you want to achieve something good, you have a goal, you have a positive perception and right perspective. Now is the right time to start. And remember, time and opportunity once lost are lost forever. So when is the right time to start preparation? Now. Now is always the right time to start your preparation.